Hi guys, it's P. I'm here with another haul. I got some Christmas money, and I got some Christmas money early, so I decided to go shopping. So this is the Peachy Keen stamps. It's the clothes and accessories die and stamp set. I'm sure you guys have seen this. Lots of people have shared it. Are you kidding me? I have to charge my battery. Hang on, guys. Anyway, I'm sorry for the lighting. It's really dark outside, so this is the best I can do. But anyway, so I'm sure you guys have seen this. I think pretty much everybody got it, but of course I had to have it. So anyway, now the next rest of the haul is an IOD. So this one is Tea is a Work of Art. So Impression Obsession. And I love tea. I'm allergic to a lot of it, but I really do love tea. I got the Anna Wight's small Santa hat. I think that's super cute, and I love the texture in the hat brim and the little pom-pom. So that's super cute. Most of these are Anna Wight, you guys. This is by Anna Wight, and it's her, what does it say? It doesn't say. Anna, help me out here. Anyway, there's the number. I can't remember what it's called. Mini pine branches and pine cones? Yeah, she showed this die. It's so cute. Had to have that. I do believe that this is Anna Wight as well. Yes, it is. And it's baked cookies. So it's a little cookie sheet, cookies, and spatula. This is Anna Wight, I'm pretty sure. And it's the snowman accessories. Love the coffee cup, the mittens, and the hats. Little banner piece. I know this is Anna Wight because it says so. This is frosted cookies. A little ginger. So cute. And that's the size of it. Okay. And then I got this stamp set. And it says Dear Sayings. It's by Jan Streff. Help me out, Anna. So it says, you're a dear friend. I'm very fond of you. Hello, dear. Oh, dear. Happy New Dear. Merry Christmas, dear. Happy Holidays. I thought that was cute. I love puns. This one is funny, too. It's by Jan Streff, again. And it's what the gnome said. Oh, no, you didn't. Gnome place like gnome. Go big or go gnome. The gnome made me do it. So that's super cute. And to go along with that, of course, I got Anna Wight's sitting gnome. Isn't he cute? He's adorable. So I love him. And then I got another one of these because when I cut these, I cut a lot of them. So I got the Tea Cocoa, which is also Anna Wight, I'm pretty sure. Correct me if I'm wrong, Anna. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, I know this is hers. This is the Santa Moon, and I love that, especially with the stitching. That is gorgeous. And then I got this one. Isn't that cute? I love the Charlie Brown tree and the tiny little gingerbread. Look how tiny that gingerbread is, you guys. I have some that are smaller than that, but yeah, that's pretty small. And then to go along with the deer, of course, I had to get our new standing deer. And this is Anna Wight's as well. So cute. I have the sitting one, but I didn't have the standing deer. And then hubby had taken me to a local scrapbook store, kind of. And they had this on clearance. And I thought it was so pretty. This is what it looks like. It's called Painted Rose Leaves. And it's just beautiful. And I think just this stamped and embossed, and then a sentiment like an oval in the center would be gorgeous for a really simple card, you know, just to cheer somebody up, you know, or tell them you're thinking of them. I think that's gorgeous. I love leaves, so this is a really pretty stamp. So when it was on clearance, I had to have it. So that's a cover, a card. Painted Rose Leaves. It's really, really, really beautiful. So that is my IOD haul, you guys. Our Impression Obsession. And I will talk to you guys later. I hope you make a happy memory. Bye-bye.